Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha and you are watching Versatile Dr. Maha. Like I said, Chef Maha because it's quarantine. These videos are quarantine special and we have nothing much to do, so yeah, why not? Let's cook today. And cooking ke liye, since my younger one, she loves pink sauce pasta, so I decided to make pink sauce pasta for her. Let's get going, and before anything else, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you get a notification. So these are my ingredients. I won't specify each and every ingredient. You guys will see while I'll cook, okay? So because I'm not a professional cook. So let's get going. So I've taken some water in which I'm gonna add the pasta. Firstly, we'll add a tablespoon of olive oil. Then we'll add salt to taste. I think that's fine. So it's always better to add penne pasta, but since we were out of that, we're adding elbow ones. And now we'll wait for them to boil. I think you all must be familiar with the kitchen, which is from Arifa's kitchen. She happens to be my mom. Okay, so now let's see what we're gonna do. See, these are the tomatoes. I've peeled off the skin. I had boiled them initially and I've peeled off the skin. So now I'm gonna make a tomato puree out of it. Now we're gonna make a puree out of it. So our tomato puree is ready, made all by me, Chef Maha. So guys, this is boiled and it's done. Now let's move ahead. And then we'll add some cold water on top of it. I don't know, some people do it, so I'm doing it. And we're saving this water because this is what we'll use later on also. And to this I'm gonna add crushed garlic, and I will saute it for just a minute. And now we're gonna add some onion. So I'm gonna saute this onion till it turns goldenish brown. I think I can be a professional cook after all. Whatever. So guys, our onion is done. It's golden brown now. And to this we are gonna add now the tomato puree which we made. So I sauteed this for like 2 to 3 minutes, and now I'm gonna add half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Okay, I think that's it. And now I'm gonna saute it again for 2 minutes. And to this I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. And since we don't have chili flakes, we are using crushed dried red chilies. That's it. And to this I just added 1/4 cup of water, and now it's got a proper texture. And now add some salt to taste. Now I'm gonna add some capsicum. And you guys can add some other veggies as well if you guys have, like broccoli and olives and all. But we were out of those, so I'm just using capsicum as for now. So here's our preheated utensil, and to that we're adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Because now we're gonna make the white sauce. Pretty good. Now that the butter has melted, we are adding 1 tablespoon of maida. And since it is a teaspoon, I'm taking 2 teaspoons. That's it. So now we are mixing the maida and butter properly. Now while mixing it, I am gonna keep adding milk to it. So now that the sauce has thickened, now we're gonna add cheese to it. Cheese slices. 2 cheese slices here. And I'll also add some salt to taste. Now I think you guys can see that we've got a nice consistency of the white sauce. It's quite thick and smooth. Now we're gonna mix the white sauce with the red sauce. And that's how we'll get our pink sauce pasta. Now I'm mixing both the pastas here, both the white sauce and the red sauce. So guys, our pink sauce is prepared. Voila! I think. And to this we are gonna add our pasta. Let's see. Mix करते जाते हैं साथ साथ. Okay, I think that's it. So guys, our pink sauce pasta is ready. It looks quite yum. And we are gonna dish it out now. Yeah, so guys, our pink sauce pasta is ready. So guys, I'm back after a sumptuous dinner. We had a pasta and pineapple souffle which my mama made. And it was so yum, and everyone just loved it, and I loved it too. Especially my younger sister, who's very, who's a big critique of pasta. She's very particular about how her pasta should be. And when she loved it, then I was really happy. Make this pink sauce pasta. It's quite simple, like you guys saw, and it's nothing, just a mixture of white sauce and red sauce pasta. It was too good. I'm booked for tomorrow. They want me to make it again tomorrow, so yeah, I'll do it and post a picture again on my social media. So guys, do try it at home. Let me know how you found the video, and let me know how was the pasta if you guys made it. And keep suggesting me more content which you guys would like to see. I'll keep uploading more fun videos, and I'll try to improve the frequency of my videos as well. And that was it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Keep showering all your love, guys, and take care, you guys. Bye bye.